H times freestyle king, but not out SUC. My body's immune to TAC, PCP, and LSD. I got the rap game in the figure for a head like a DDT. In my school days, I had to go to ALC and almost CEP. I'm an undergraduate, but thankful for a GED. I blew up like TNT on radio stations MTV, VH1, and BET. If you kept it real, you get free tickets, t-shirts, and free CDs. I'ma make a Lifetime movie, also cartoons and porn on DVD. Certified license, Texas out the DMV. Getting cash money like baby with CNB. Dollar bills, y'all, you can't hear me. Not for free. If I happen to give life offers, I want it in large quantity. The player haters laws and the bitches are all on to me. My mixing and mastering is the best quality. Life or death, dead or alive, the world is out for me. If I talk to the man, will he have time to talk to me? This is philosophy, but not coming from Socrates. I'm a monster in the booth, I'm a beast, and I'm known on the south, in the north, in the west, in the east.
Time is money, and money is time. Working a 9 to 5, baby, with my life on the line. Only the strong survive, baby, that's why I'm out on the grind. Hard work pays off, 80 for 2, popping bottles of wine. Time is money, and money is time. Working a 9 to 5, baby, with my life on the line. Only the strong survive, baby, that's why I'm out on the grind. Hard work pays off, 80 for 2, popping bottles of wine.
If it's normal speed, I chop the screw, low pitch or high pitch. And if it's my voice and words on the live beat, you're jamming my shit. I light splits in the eyes of the unrighteous. In the county, the weapons are my fists. R1, L1 is high risk. I'm a workaholic. I love day shifts and night shifts. I got a big heart, I'm cold-blooded.